Experiencing the screen share feature being grayed out or not showing during a FaceTime call can be frustrating, especially when you want to share your screen with someone. This issue may arise due to software glitches, incorrect settings, or compatibility problems. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with 100% effective solutions to get your FaceTime screen sharing feature working properly again. Solution 1. Check for restrictions. Restrictions on your device can cause FaceTime and iMessage to be grayed out. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Screen Time. Scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enter your screen time passcode if prompted. Tap on Allowed Apps. Ensure that FaceTime and Messages are toggled on. Solution 2. Check your Apple ID. FaceTime and iMessage require a valid Apple ID. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap on your Apple ID at the top. Ensure you are signed in with a valid Apple ID. Tap iCloud, tap See All, scroll down, Phone and FaceTime enable. Now, restart your iPhone. Solution 3. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can interfere with FaceTime and iMessage. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap General. Tap on Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is toggled on. Solution 4. If the problem persists, resetting network settings can help. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap General. Scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Confirm your choice and wait for your iPhone to restart. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of FaceTime screen share being grayed out. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.